Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in South Africa. First, you must create your PayPal account. Begin by visiting the PayPal website and clicking Sign Up for a personal account. You will need to enter your email address and create a secure password, ensuring it is unique and complex. Then, input your personal information, like your legal name and current South African residential address. Finally, complete the email verification step, which is crucial for activating your account. Linking your First National Bank account is a critical step for using PayPal effectively in South Africa. FNB acts as the exclusive local partner, facilitating all your PayPal withdrawals and conversions. Access the dedicated FNB PayPal service portal and securely log in. Follow the prompts to connect your PayPal account, providing the necessary authorization. This connection ensures your funds can be smoothly transferred from PayPal directly into your FNB bank account. Once your FNB account is linked, withdrawing funds from PayPal is straightforward. Log into your FNB online banking and navigate to the PayPal Services section. From there, you can request a withdrawal, specifying the exact amount you wish to transfer. Be aware of the applicable foreign exchange rates and any associated FNB fees, which are usually a small percentage of the transaction. Funds typically appear in your FNB account within 3 to 5 business days. Sending money via PayPal is incredibly simple. You just need the recipient's email address and the amount you wish to transfer. Ensure you select the correct currency, especially for international payments. When receiving funds, people only need your PayPal registered email address. These payments are usually reflected in your PayPal balance almost instantly. Always double-check recipient details before confirming any transaction to prevent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.